Hey Boos, welcome back to my channel. First of all, if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're coming back to join me for another video, nice to see you guys again. As you can see, I'm ready for the carnival. Somehow, I'm still hopeful that I'm gonna end up in carnival, whether it be Trini Carnival, which I'm so sad I'm not there for. I'm so dramatic, guys. There's also Carriacou Carnival. Big up my Grenadians, them. It's Carriacou Carnival, not Grenada Carnival, but we're all Grenadians, okay? You guys get it. Dominica Carnival, IT Carnival, Sac Passe. Martinique in Belize or Belize. Hold on, let me just get this straight. Hold on. Carnival in Bolivia. We have carnival in Rio, Guadeloupe, in Guyana, Carriacou, and Curacao. So for this tutorial, I'm using Queenlike Extension, and I have their 8-inch 6x6 closure, and I also have 3 bundles which are 10 inches long. So I went ahead and just dyed this watercolor method in black, and I got, as you can see, the free makeup brushes. So I already off camera, I bleached the knots, dyed the hair, and I'm just gonna install the closure for you guys. So the reason why I'm showing you this part, it's really relevant in the end, is because I had a whole different idea. I started off with a whole different idea, and then we ended up with the outcome. But so just ignore that line in the back for now, and I'm simply just double wefting from one side to the next side, cutting those wefts off and restarting, just because I didn't want to do the flip over method with this tutorial, because I didn't want it to be bulky, seeing as I'm not starting from the bottom of the wig cap. I also have an entire video on how I sew a wig from start to finish, so you can look that up if you want. I don't really stay too long showing you guys how I do this, because like I said, I already have a video on it. So be sure to check it out, and I'll also leave the link down below in the comments. In the end, I ended up using a bundle and a half to do this entire look. Like I said, I'll be showing you guys what I had started off originally, my original plan. So this is why I did the line to begin with, but just ignore all this feathers in the back. We went differently. So now I'm just cutting the hair into the shape that I'd like. Don't come for me, I hold scissors very weird. It gets me through what I gotta do. And you guys will see, like, you guys can see the layer. And then I part out the middle part of the back, and I level it out with how short I want it to be from the feathers, because I wanted the feathers to show. Mind you, that was my initial plan. But like I said, ignore those feathers. We're not going to be using them in the finale. But I just wanted to keep this footage so I can show you guys how we got from start to finish. Once I got the desired length I was going for, I'm just passing row by row with my straightener on. I believe the heat was 180. So this is where I decided to change up the entire look, and I'm just sectioning out to where I see the wig cap, and I'm just gluing the feathers in between the hair all around to desired spots that I see fit where I would like to see them. Once everything was completely done with the feathers, I did off camera bejewel them up, you know, make them real extra pretty, and yeah. Once I got the green feathers in, I went ahead and added orange to it just to add a bit of a contrast, because Carnival is all about bright colors and beautiful colors, and it just looks really pretty. Afterwards, I'm going to customize my hairline. You can skip this part if your frontal or your closure already comes plucked. I personally just wanted to add my touch to it to make it feel more personalized. Alright, so I'm just trying it on. Please don't come for me. And as you can see, all the feathers that were in the back as I started off with, they're all gone. And I'm just sectioning out the ponytail on top. And I'm just passing a comb through it. I'm going to add some water just to help slick down the process, brush it down. And then I'm going to go in with my Lotta Body Mousse and some edge booster just to slick it all back. So as I got here, I realized, hey, when I put my hair up in a ponytail, honey, the feathers are going to be showing. That's not cute. I will be going in afterwards, like after I realize it's obviously off of camera, and I'll be taking out hair from around the ponytail to cover that up. And I'm also going to be, see these two in the front, I'm also going to be adding those like more discreetly underneath the wig cap. So I kind of did that off camera, and now I'm just taking a piece of the weave that I have left from the bundle. It's double, like I doubled it, and I'm just going around as you would if you're making a ponytail, and I'm doing that around my half ponytail and securing it in with some bobby pins. This is the part where, like I said, I had to get some hair out the ponytail to cover up those feathers. And I'm just spreading the straightener back through it just to make sure that everything is nicely flattened out and nicely tightly secured. And I just added some curls to the front just so it can have like a little bit of like, you know, personality to it. Not like
Hulk. Here she is. And you know, she's matching with my costume, you know what I'm saying? Ah! Hey. Now we is talking. Okay, so I'm just gonna gel this down a 1-2 tab. I'll be right back. And I have guys, I don't know how to act. I love this green though. So I decided to make like a headdress, but hair dress, get it? With my wig. Voila. Because if you guys know me, or if you guys don't know me, one thing I will share with you guys is that I love Carnival. As much as I love wig making, I love Carnival. And I just did this like quick fast too, because I'm like, I can't make a Carnival wig and not look carnival-y for you guys on camera. That don't make no sense. This was very fun to do. I'm in love. Like, I don't even want to take this off. Like, I want to just get on a plane and hopefully that plane just lands somewhere where there's Carnival in like the next few hours, or a party or a fete or something, because I feel like, wow, like I did all of this and I have to wash it off. Like but it's okay as long as it's for you guys, you know. If you guys love this video, you guys want to see more of like my hair and carnival kind of mixed together, let me know down below in the comments, and subscribe, and definitely turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Have a good night, boos, and if you're out fetting in one of these beautiful islands for carnival season, please enjoy for the both of us. Like, I have a serious carnival to bank of, and yeah, I'm gonna let it be known. So yeah, ciao.